Claims and counterclaims after West Kingston Member of Parliament Desmond McKenzie was pepper sprayed by police this morning. The police have since offered their version of how the incident unfolded, but first up, Kirk Wright spoke with Mr. McKenzie.
Videos quickly surfaced showing the Member of Parliament getting help to neutralize the pepper spray to his eyes. Another video showed him being consoled by the police after the incident. Mr. McKenzie said he hurried down to the community after getting calls from the residents that the police had refused to take the man they had shot to the hospital. He said because of that, the community became rowdy, sparking a confrontation between them and the police. Mr. McKenzie said he was trying to pacify the situation when he got pepper sprayed.
It is alleged that a police officer told a lady in the crowd about what she must do with her mother. And she, in return, repeated what the police told her. This is what I've been told. I didn't hear. That was the lady who ran behind me. And when I felt the woman behind me and I saw the police, I said, "Officer," I hold up my hand and I say, "Officer, what is it? Hold on." And without a word, he pepper sprayed me 3 times.
The MP says the attack on him was not by accident.
It was deliberate because there wasn't anything happening that would have warranted the police using pepper spray. It was only one incident I saw where a stone was thrown, and that was long before the incident. There is no broken bottles, there was no attempt to block any roads by the residents. So it is not the crowd was making noise because they were upset.
If the police say you were obstructing them in their duties, would that be correct?
The police can't say that either, because I was engaging in the police in a conversation before that incident happened.
Mr. McKenzie said he hurried down to the community after getting calls from the residents that the police had refused to take the man they had shot to the hospital.
I spoke with the officer, I walked with them, and eventually they took him out. Now I understand that the police have said that the reason why the man that was shot during the operation was not taken up because the residents were preventing the police from doing so, which is untrue.
This is the Ebenezer Methodist Church here in Tivoli Gardens. It's almost 200 years old. And here's where the residents say the shooting took place this morning by the police. The man was shot and injured closer to the perimeter fence of the church, but the residents are disappointed. They say the incident this morning was unprovoked and that it has eroded the relationship that they've built with the police in recent times. They say, unlike earlier years when the relationship with the police was rocky, they say it has gotten much better.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.